Howdy ho, bitches. Oh, fucking hell. Hangover Central. This will be a hangover breakfast video. I don't know if it's number 10 or number 11. It's around there somewhere. Haven't done a hangover breakfast in a while. Already started in on the Go Juice. Get fucking green shit. Head is just fucking staggering. Coffee just finished bubbling away. Hey, a fly. A fruit fly. Go away. Fuck, I need that. Let me get a coffee going. Coffee smells good. Double cup. Yeah, and you can't have your morning coffee without some fucking Baileys. Oh, maybe I should give it a little jiggle, a little shake. Shakey, shakey. Eggs and bacon. There you go. How about that? Bitchy. Cheers, morning ears. Oh, feel better already just after a little zippy. All right, you go here for now. You go here for now. What we're gonna do steak and eggs, fried mashed potatoes. Yeah. So we got some mashed potatoes left over, garlic mashed. Fuck, I put a good dent in that. We get a couple of eggies. Eggies! Oh, and you gotta have your HP sauce with your steak and eggs. Couple of eggs. Eggaroo. Couple of eggs. And our steakage we'll have to cut. I'll have to cut some of this down here. I actually cleaned up pretty good last night. I was fucking wasted. I'm surprised. I even did the dishes. So yeah, I'll cut a slab off of here. Bitchy. Nice. Okay, so let me cut a piece of this off and get everything ready. And fuck. Ugh, a wave of hangoverness. All right, drink up, buttercup. All right, let me get set up. I'll be back. All right, bitches. Cheers, big ears. Always good. Cut off a nice piece of that fucking roast, eh? That'll work. It's good enough for breakfast. Good enough for me. Okay, let's get some shit happening here. Lard. Lard is good. Just like beer. Beer is good. That much. Come on. Fall off. Bitchy! Well, fuck it then. A little more, eh? A little more. Lard is good. Okay. Mashed potatoes first. Potatoes. How many do I want? There you go. Potatoes. Garlic mash. Ah, good, 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 good. Where's my knife? And we're going to sprinkle on these potatoes some Bastard Rub barbecue spice. Gotta love it with Bastard Rub. Bastard Rub makes it good. Bastard Rub. There you go. Good enough. What's going on here? Where's my pinchers? Gotta find my pinchers. They're right here. Do I have to move the camera? Nope. Right on. So we'll just heat this up for a couple of minutes. Get these going. Throw in the eggs. And we're ready to fucking go. And the hangover's ready to fucking go too. Go away, hangover. Chasing the hangover away. Alright, but just give me a couple minutes and I'll be back. Woo! Hangover RTFO. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. Flip shit over. Nice. It'll be ready very, very soon. Get over there, you sticky spuddies. Nice. Little more BR on there. Bastard Rub. Just a tad. Good enough. Bastard Rub. Woo! Right on. Soon be egg time. Oh. Coffee is kicking in really good. Go juice. Alright, bitches. Take this off. Put the eggs on. It'll be good to fucking go. Potatoes be ready. Okay, give me a minute. I'll be back. Hey, bitches. Come with me, you. Nice. Nice. Eggs. You know how to fry eggs, don't you? You crack them and you put them in the fucking pan. Need to watch me do it? Ah, shell. Fucking hangover sucks. Come here, shell. Gotcha. Fucking cunt. Okay, potatoes are done. Eggs will be done. Coffee's almost done. We're good to go. Shut you off. Alright, bitches. Woo! Let me move the camera back over. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Here you go. It ain't the prettiest fucking breakfast, but it's gonna be fucking tasty. I don't give a fuck. I'm a drunk. A piss tank. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Fuck yeah. Then, you gotta have some HP sauce. Fucking right. Can't have steak and eggs without HP. Bitch! Fuck yeah. Right on. Fork, knife. Yes. Fried garlic mashed. Yummy. Woo. Now, steak. HP. Hey, back here. A little bit of potatoes too. Why not then? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Coffee's done. That's a big fuck. Looks there to see you. That's a great big cup. That's two. Okay. Oh, made a mess. That's some Mexican Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. Oh, fuck, that's good. Egg-a-rooney. Egg-a-roo. Fuck yeah. Fuck, that's good. Oh yeah. Some potatoes. That is a nice piece of fucking meat. Nice. Well, like I said, it's not the prettiest breakfast. It's fucking good. And it's gonna cure this hangover. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. Until the next hangover. Keep on drinking in the free world. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. Oh.